Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Cartels are a major topic in economics, and you need to understand how they function right now. Let's solve the specific problem together very quickly. A cartel is defined as a group of firms that formally agree to cooperate. This means they act like a single monopoly to maximize their total profits by limiting competition. Option A is wrong because cartels create inefficiency by restricting output. Option B is also incorrect because perfectly elastic demand only happens in perfect competition, which is the opposite of cooperation. Since these firms work together to set prices and output levels, they coordinate their production decisions. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid the rush. Trust given info and check your steps.